What's up guys, today we're going to play a new game and it's Pixelgun. Today I'm going to buy Snowstorm, the new gun in the new update. I will buy each day. Wow, I bought it. Now I'm making the new inventory. I need to collect how many coins now to buy fast gas. I need 2 coins. Okay, I will play adventure and campaign. Why they didn't have other maps in the campaign? I don't understand. Okay, I'm here ready with my kill brain. It is my thing up. Now I'm going to play it in medium. I'm not a new player in this game. I played it many times, but now it's just a new update and I downloaded it. I think if you like that video and share it, I will upload more videos of Pixelgun3d gameplay. Okay, we started. Far near some blocks is go. Brains. Look, you have a shovel. So, Pixelgun3d multiplayer first person shot. Okay, my objective is to kill monsters quickly and win without any damage. Complete the level to get gold coins. Far. We are waiting. Very easy. Okay, we start. Let's test that gun. What the hell? What is this? Oh, it's true. Don't say it's laggy. Wow. Great kill. Bring up your brain. Okay. I will upgrade it to be more cool. Okay, where is that? Hello. I get you. This is the box. You are not very I killed you. Okay, that was the tutorial. Not the story. This is not the tutorial. That is the best gun in Pixelgun if it was upgraded. I will upgrade it and upload more videos. It's very game and very recent gun. So hope you buy it. Okay, now I'm going to buy fast gas. It's a pretty cool gun too. And from back up here and buy. Now I have fast gas. Okay, so that was it and hope you enjoyed that video. Like and share that video with your friends to upload more videos and we will be very cool YouTuber. I will be a very cool YouTuber for you and for your friends. So hope you enjoy it and goodbye for another video today or tomorrow. I will upload new video and goodbye guys.